Now, Skilsaw, American Skilsaw. See a problem straight away. We can all see it. Wonder if that's the cause. Customer says it went bang and stopped. Well, she has stopped. She's not gone bang for me. Unless she overloaded it because that blade's on the wrong way. Wonder if somebody was just then dogging it. And there are new brushes. Okay. Get under the handle. See if there's anything we can spot. I am here in Ireland. This is an American Skilsaw. Regulations is different over here. You're not allowed to actually sell these things. Technically, these are illegal over here in Ireland. Just due to different safety standards. You're not allowed to send boys up on the roof with big metal saws. This is all earth, everything over here has to be class 2. Well, none of that, everything. But this one doesn't fit the bill. Everything looks in order. Basically anything more than a lot of wiring, I can't do anything anyway. So I can't get a field or anything, even a switch for this. There's just no parts available for them over here, unless you order them online. That's right. That's okay. Had a wee pinched wire, but it's alright. That's alright. Wee simple fault just. Neutral's working. Earthworks. No lives. It's actually just a lead this needs. Nothing major at all. Simple as that for that end. I just needed a plug. Saws go, these Skilsaws, worm drive Skilsaws, are one of the best. They're a seriously powerful piece of kit. Very versatile. Very, very well made. You can see why they're popular in America. Now, I'll shoot a bang. Nope, she didn't go bang. I'll fix that blade though. Blade lock is down here. Very good blade system with the diamond on it as well. Great grip. You're probably wondering why I started tightening that before loosening it. You get a wild tight bolt, which these normally are. If you tighten it just a wee tiny bit first while she moves, breaks the hold. It's easier to get it off. That's her. One American Skilsaw up and running again. Worth their weight in gold, them saws. Normally never fail.